This is how you know a good shampoo. A good shampoo does not leave your hair dry. It doesn't strip your hair of its natural moisture. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this super moisturizing treatment which detangles, shampoo and also condition your hair without leaving it dry. It's super effective and very moisturizing. So just keep watching. Welcome back to another hair video, guys. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use this leaf called ambuno leaf to make a super moisturizing shampoo. Ambuno is a traditional plant used for herbal hair care. It is very common in Africa and it has become widely used around the world. Ambuno serves as a great detangler, a shampoo and a conditioner, which is why I call it the 3-in-1 leaf. To prepare my shampoo, I'm going to start by infusing my ambuno leaf in warm water for at least 1 to 2 hours. This is to get the sleepy consistency out of the ambuno. Ambuno has a lot of cleansing properties. It cleans the hair and scalp due to its saponin content. When soaked in water, ambuno leaves has a great sleep that helps detangle even the most stubborn matted tangle hair. So while my ambuno leaf is infusing, I'm going to go over and prepare my second ingredient. I'm going to combine my ambuno with African black soap. I'm making use of raw African black soap. African black soap contains natural oils and herbs that help to moisturize your hair. It helps to prevent breakage. It helps to promote thicker hair. It helps to stop itchy scalp. African black soap has lots and lots of benefits. So to melt my African black soap, I'm just going ahead to slice it into smaller bits so this can melt easily, guys. If you're the type of person that is trying to avoid harsh chemicals and synthetic ingredients in your shampoo, then you should really look into using African black soap as your shampoo because it has a lot of moisturizing benefits. So because African black soap is made with lots of oil, it tends to dry out your hair after some hours. That is why I prefer to mix ambuno leaf to my African black soap because it's going to help lock in the moisture for a longer time. You can choose to combine your African black soap with any other ingredients that work best for you, but I find the ambuno and African black soap mixture super moisturizing, and that is really all I just want for my shampoo. I don't want to use a shampoo that will end up leaving my hair dry after some hours, so just do what works best for you. But I know that this is super effective and it pretty just works for almost everybody, guys. So I poured in some hot water to my cut African black soap, and this is just to help it melt quickly. So I'm just going to cover it up and let it sit for some hours till everything is completely melted. And over here is also my ambuno leaf that I've been infusing for 2 hours now, and this is what it's looking like, guys. Can you see how settled it is looking now? When you actually touch this, it's going to give you that slimy consistency like that of okra gel. It has a lot of slimy consistency. Also, my black soap is completely melted now, so I'm just going to go over and strain my black soap. Make sure you strain your black soap because it contains a lot of dirt. You know, this is processed locally, so it comes with a lot of dirt. So guys, look at the slippery consistency I am getting from the ambuno leaf. Like, can you just see that consistency? This is going to detangle the most stubborn matted hair, guys. super moisturizing. Like, I didn't feel the dryness I usually get when I use some of the store-bought shampoo. It left my hair really moisturized. The sleep I got from this shampoo was so amazing, and a little goes a long way because it lathers so well on my hair. And like I said earlier, I didn't use any conditioner after shampooing my hair. I just went straight to use my deep conditioner, and I also used my leave-in conditioner. And guys, you can see here my curls are just popping out. Like, this literally defined my curls. My hair was super moisturized throughout the week. I just went ahead to put my hair in a protective style, and that is it, guys. I hope you really found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. I'd love to know your take on this shampoo when you finally use it. Until I see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.